I don't know whether you can see her or not. She is so camera friendly. I just wanted to make a video and she came nearer. Another one is feeling jealous. You can look at her. She is saying, I also want to be in camera. Can you imagine that? This is love. They are not fearful of me, and I am not in any way having no intention of hurting them. They know it. We say that animals, they don't know. They know very well than us. When cat will come, they will not even come down. And now see how near this bird is. She has no fear, just near to my feet. And little far away, one mongoose. You might have not noticed that mongoose may be mother mongoose. I don't know feminine gender. We can say mother mongoose. One time she came, one biscuit she had taken, another time quite shy. And when she felt confident that there is no danger, next time also she came and took another one. I did not know whether mongoose also eat biscuits, but hunger is, or maybe sheer love or need, I don't know. Just see this bird. She loves company. Many times when I am in hurry, I can't see her, but she just comes. That is true friendship. There is no bargain. There is no giving and taking. You see how quiet she is sitting. Another one, you say, feeling jealous, saying something. Bigger one. But they are full of love. Love is everywhere. Whole world is out of love only. Everywhere in every atom, living, non-living. If you believe God is there, and God is there within us also, and that binds us together. This universal love. There is no doubt. But all of us know, and how many of us realize. See, third time if you can see that mother mongoose, I am 100% sure she is mother. Might be having small kids. Third biscuit is going one by one. Now this is third time she has come. Animals are not greedy. They believe that whatever they need, they take. Might have been hungry for so many days. My little knowledge was of the view that these mongoose are carnivores. So many videos I have seen. A mongoose killing a snake. I don't know whether they are real or fake. But first time in my life I saw a mongoose coming and taking biscuit. I thought one by chance, then another, then another. You see, fourth time again she has come. If you can see, or if she comes, because she is nearby and she knows, I think, one or two is still left. She came, and yes, there was one, and she has gone with fourth one. I finish this video because I think now there is none. Thank you all. God bless you. Have a nice day.